Are responsible for looking after your land, your culture, your living, that was given to you by my grandfather, father's father.
Watercolour, you are layering. So all the artists will first put down their first layer of colour, which will be perhaps the sky. But each artist here has their own unique style. So Mervyn, if you don't know how Mervyn paints, he has a very, very bright, vivid colours.
Some of the paintings you will see here are from Vanlife in the sea.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Parchment. Would you please take your seats as the show is about to commence?
Anda nana bandal. Anuna muragadoya maba. Nana kuratanaga. Anana makura aranda maba. Nana atatanama angancha kara. Achoranga kara. Apmanana nunandandarama. Anak malu nandandam.
The water holes flourish and bring abundance. They weave their way from the gorges to the billabongs to the rivers and estuaries. Across all our lands and finally out to the sea. Us all.
What ain't quite is look for water where you dig up looking for substances. There's some fresh water there.
Our stories across country carry the longest uninterrupted spirituality and tradition in the world.
The importance of the knowledge is to keep your story and dreaming, keep it alive.
Morning guys, we have just rocked up to Simpsons Gap, as you can see, and we've just started our trek on the Morini Loop. So we'll be visiting a lot of places west of Alice on our way down to Uluru. So first place on the stop is 20k west of Alice Springs, which is Simpsons Gap, and this place is quite remarkable. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh man, it just makes you feel so small. It's extremely windy in this valley here. All the wind is concentrated. It's like a wind tunnel. take my shoes off. Wow. Oh, he's getting blown away. Lucky I got a string on my hat, otherwise I wouldn't have a hat anymore. Ah! Oh, so I'd have to make an estimate that these cliffs, these ridges are about maybe 100 meters tall. Do you reckon they're 100 meters tall?
Yeah, it is.
Maybe more.
There's a sign there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but it's about rock wallabies.
Oh, rock wallabies. Do you reckon they're there? Oh, look, there's one up there.
Oh,
Up there, I can see his head.
I don't see him. You're going to be more specific.
His like head's just poking out up there. He's really still. Is that a rock or is that a stick? No, that's a wallaby.
Oh, I see
Yeah,
it.
up there. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try zoom in digitally, but there's a rock wallaby's head up there. Hopefully I've fixed up the audio levels on the camera. Hopefully they're not all you can hear is wind noise. Hopefully you can hear me pretty well. Jeez, it's really blowing a gale. I can't even really hear my voice.
You gotta get on the
Jesus Christ, it's blowing a gale. Can you protection? Wind protection. We're in the little cave. Forgot what I was going to say, but yeah, you're not allowed to swim here apparently. I'm not. Maybe it's not very hygienic or good for the human body.
Oh, hold up.
That's got a mind of its own.
No, it's not doing it. Hold up, ready?
Are you trying to land it on your head?
I don't think I can.
Alright. I'm not going to put the drone up in this valley because it's way too windy. I've only got the Mavic Air, like the first edition. Way too small, way too windy. I'll wait till we get back to the car park where it's a little bit less windy. But just seeing this place without a drone is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Surfing.
It's so hot. I feel like I'm on the Titanic.
I just wanted to show you guys the rock. The rocks here and just look so ancient and prehistoric. You can see the layers of it. And then this rock up here. Very shaly. Just amazing looking. Alright, so I've decided to put the drone up. I'll give it a go. Don't know how it's going to go. It's very windy down there, but we've got a better chance of launching it down here near the van. And then, yeah, let's put it up. Yeah, so I put my drone up. I got the best that I could, but really it was just way too windy. It was getting blown hundreds of meters away, so I had to chuck it in sports mode to get it back. So now we're off to Standley Chasm. It's only up the road, so it shouldn't take long to get there. and apparently it's best to get there at midday, so it is 10:54, so see you there. So we've just reached Standley Chasm and we're going to go head in now. Okay. So we're in the park past the gates, and there's no drones allowed here. We just walked past the sign, so unfortunately won't be getting any drone footage, but I'll do my best with on the ground. It seems like there's been a bit of a fire come through here. You can see on the trees they're like blackened and a bit scorched. All those rocks over there in the distance are a bit burnt and black. I don't know if that's like deliberate or is it like natural, I'm not too sure. Just about to arrive 100 meters away, and apparently the best time to rock up here is right now, which is coming up to midday, because the sun gets directly down from the top. So here we are. I'm just running through. Place is humongous. Perfect time of day. The light is just straight down the middle of it, straight down the guts. Maybe do a little bit of an adventure. Nope, I meant public access. Not allowed to go past here. That's alright. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like on the other end. Pretty tall. Pretty sweet. Obviously this spot is very popular for photos, so getting a photo you basically got to have a big queue of people, and now is probably the most busy time maybe, because it's the best opportunity. Just rocked up to our campsite for the night. Hugh River is where we're staying. No river around, obviously, it's dry as a bone. So there's no one around. It's quiet at the moment, obviously, because COVID. All these places we're going to be going to, there's only a handful of people, and it's kind of good in a way because you can get a good photo. You don't have to wait in long queues. It's just easy to park, so that is a plus side of COVID, I guess, if there is any. So yeah, we're camping here tonight. Going to get some firewood. Laurie's thinking of painting, and I might put the drone up and have a little look around. So I thought now would be a good time Well, there's a lot of light in the sky to get some firewood. So I'm just heading down to this creek riverbed, well, where it would be, and it looks like there's a ton of fallen over trees, so I'm pretty certain there'll be a lot of firewood here. Tons and tons of firewood. Look at all that. That's what we want. All that. This is too easy. Gee, that's flexible. No shortage of firewood here. Excellent. I think that's going to do us for tonight. What do you guys think about this tool? Is it cheating? I ended up putting a tap outlet on the outside of the van, so you can wash your feet or even hook up a hose and have an external shower if you're really dirty and you don't want to get inside dirty, and a bunch of other things. Clean your hands after you empty the toilet in a dump point. Ha! Ha! I like that way.
It's really good, eh?
Takes 1 second.
And the bottom.
I love that. Here we go. Here we go. It's pretty windy.
Ooh, yeah. That's it. She's taking off.
Yeah. Here we go. Alright, we're in the safe. Nice.
Yeah, baby.
Alrighty. Just get that going.
Eat it. Ooh, sorry.
Whoops. Campfire grill set up. Heaps of firewood left too. And we got some friends that have just pulled up. Might have to meet them.
Soon to be friends.
Soon to be friends. Looking on the fire. Oh.
You're right.
Those tidies are going pretty good.
Absolutely perfect.
Beautiful.
Hot.
Hot.
Hot, 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 hot.
Hot. Roast potatoes, some sausages, burger. We got corn on the fire.
Probably can't see me. Anyway, we're gonna eat now, guys. So we've just cooked it all. Oh no, that's just the corn. We've just cooked it all on the fire. First time on the little grill. Yeah, gonna eat. Alright guys, so we have had dinner and we met a couple of other travellers here, Julia and Toby, and now it's time for bed, so I'm gonna put the fire out and call it a night. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It's breakfast time. About to have a cook up. Got a couple of different things here. Gonna chuck it on the grill again. It always makes it better when you cook on a fire. So I've had the fire going, it's all ready and hot. Let's have some brekkie.
Yeah, baby. There's so much wind, so I'm just gonna move the van. To block. What a life that thing must have seen.
Oh my god. Probably been here since the start of time. I put this oxygen on the other thing, eh? Make it more of a flame grill.
Yeah, good idea. Oh, those mushies are looking really good. Same with the zucchini. Oh, I reckon those zucchini are done.
Take them off here.
Thank you. Breakfast is cooked. We got toast, a couple sausages. We got mushrooms, onion, zucchini, and tomato. Oh, and potato chips. So many flies trying to get a piece of this. Oh my god.
Did you eat a fly or is it just really yummy?
It's really good. It's just like, there's so many flies.
Yeah. What's that?
Perfection.
Perfection. Perfecto.
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 Muy bien.
Not the best.
Laurie's cooking up. Potato. Is that rosemary?
Yep.
Rosemary. Tomato.
Onion, garlic.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's potato.
It's been blowing a gale all day long. The trees are just... It's been like this all day. We haven't really been up to too much today. It's been pretty chilled, just relaxing, staying here again for another night, and then we're going to head off tomorrow to a couple more places. Jeez, it's blowing. I ended up moving the van to head on to the winds because it was just rocking about like crazy. Good morning, good morning. Today we are going to Ellery Creek to camp for 1 or 2 nights. So I'm going to end this vlog here, guys. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed all the adventures that we get up to. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification to see the next ones, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. See you there.